saying me, they are closing, they are coming to my yard and saying I will vote for you. Also, I am in a fear mode, but in upcoming February 12th, I will change and I will take my revenge what I faced in my life.
So you got what you
I
did?
got that. So, okay, do you think there would be a lot of vote buying?
Basically, I am graduated from the Dhaka University. I have no money and I have many gangsters, but I am facing a gangsters who is extortionist.
Okay, I got that. What about vote buying? Do you think that would be
ভোট কিনছে
vote
নাকি
buying?
আপনার
That would
অপোনেন্ট
be-
তারা কি ভোট টোট কিনছে ভোট কেনাটা
They are buying vote from the both slums because there is a 5
Who are
slum.
they?
The PNP Mirza Abbas.
they're buying votes in the slum areas where
Also,
mostly
they are-
impoverished people live.
Also, BNP leader Tariq Rahman also buying vote from the Dhaka constituency 17 from the slums also.
But,
Coral slums. So they are the same system, corrupted system.
and have you seen it?
আপনি কি দেখেছেন এরকম
The
ভোট কেনা
loss of
বেচার?
our people who are going and campaigning in this system, they are saying to us,
So he heard it from his followers.
Do you think the election day will go through peacefully or there will be some violence?
ইলেকশনের দিন কি শান্তিপূর্ণ নির্বাচন হবে নাকি সহিংসতা হতে পারে?
they are taking preparation to চুরি করা কি এটা ragging the
Vote rigging,
election,
vote rigging. You mean vote rigging?
and also they are buying the hockey stick and stamp
They're buying
for
what?
the preparation.
So they're he says that their opponents are collecting sticks, large sticks, baseball sticks type of thing, to get themselves prepared for the E-Day,
Rigging.
for the election day, so that they get violence.
They are also doing election engineering with the teachers will be the presiding officers. They captured the institution with the governing body president and principals. So principals and governing body enforcing the teachers to do work with the favor of this person.
So he says, did you understand what he said?
Well, yeah, with the teachers, and how are they going to
So
enforce it?
actually, what he is claiming that the BNP leaders are taking over the educational institutions, and the teachers of those educational institutions will be the presiding officers. So once they have control over these educational institutions, so they think that the presiding officers will work for BNP. In this way, they will be able to rig votes and engineer the election. That's
So
what
that's the situation we are facing. But this situation was in our earlier 50 years. But after that, the same thing is going. So it is not only in Bangladesh, it is South Asian politics. So we thought that it will be changed after the revolution, but nothing has changed.
Okay, but
And
what,
we are hopeless, the young generation.
yes, but what do you think is the chances for the alliance, the SOC?
মানে আপনারা যে জোটের অংশ এই জোট কিরকম করতে পারে নির্বাচনে বলে মনে করছেন?
We are thinking we will form the government because the people will do the revolution upcoming February 12th. If they want to come to capture our election center and want to vote rigging, the people are ready to fight the 5th August 2024. So we are saying that we cross the bullet revolution, it will be the ballot revolution. If they come to conflict with us, the mass people will mobilize and they will fight like that they will fight against the Sheikh Hasina.
You got it?
Yes.
So he is confident that the alliance will win because
We are
people
confident
will
about the
support them.
people.
If there is vote rigging, people
We are
will
in a
protest.
patience
That's what
mode
he said.
until February 12th. We are in our position. If they come to fight with us, we will be in our position. We will not hit them. Because if they enforce us to hit them, then people will sacrifice also their
Even
lives.
if
in
he says that
upcoming
even if his opponents tries to hit them, they will not react.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And good luck.
Good luck. Thank you.
Salam
That is the situation we are facing in the field.
alaikum.